Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngento esensitive kakhulu bafethu futhi ebuhlungu uma uyibheka. Ibhola eSouth Africa i-number one sport by far in terms of ama-fans na-everything nje ibhazi mhlampe ukubukelwa laphana ku-SuperSport and everything, but guess what? I-cricket ne-rugby yenza imali more than ibhola. Leyo nto yenza isense na? No. Nix nakancane bafowethu. Cabanga but-ke ngizochaza everything bafowethu ukuthi ni-understand le nto leyo ukuthi yenzakala kanjani. Sifika kanjani la ukuthi ibhola lase-South Africa alenzi imali e-serious compared to i-rugby ne-cricket. Ngizoqala nge-rugby bafowethu. Last year 2024 i-annual report yakhona i-rugby yase-South Africa yenze 852 million rands from ama-broadcasting rights bafowethu. Broadcasting rights kuphela. And guess what? I-P_S_L overall ibhola lase-South Africa in 3 years kuma-broadcasting right bona benza 900 million in 3 years. Imali ku-rugby kuma-broadcasting rights abayenza ngonyaka owodwa. And la sikhuluma i-SA Rugby masikhuluma nge-SA Rugby kahle kahle sikhuluma ngama-Springboks kuphela isikhathi esiningi because yibo abantu abanama-broadcasting rights aserious ababukelwa umhlaba wonke. But-ke ngizokuchaza kahle bafowethu singayikhi phezulu le nto le. So I mean, like, when you think about sports stories eSouth Africa, into ezoqala ngayo uzoqala lise ngama-townships, ngamabhazi, maybe nama-stadiums-ke, but-ke nje when you think of township ucabanga ingane encane edlala ibhola egijimayo noma yenza ibhola ngesaka or ngeplastiki, but it's the core of ila everything iqala khona. So by far ibhola is the biggest sport in South Africa. Why i-rugby ne-cricket benza imali? I mean, question deep le bafowethu because of I mean, i-South Africa dominate ama-townships obvious namakhaya after the upper class sekugcineni. Iy'ngane ziqala ukukhahlela ibhola from a young age. Not all kids in South Africa understand the rugby, but guess what? Almost all kids on average in South Africa bayalazi ibhola. Well, i-cricket ayisekugcineni angicabanga nokuyicabanga. I-soccer bafowethu, I mean, i-heartbeat into ehlanganisa i-South Africa overall. But-ke uma ubheka imali nama-sponsorships, nama-TV rights, nama-salaries, ibhola lisemuva kakhulu. Why sifike kanjani la? Meanwhile, uma ubheka, I mean, the beauty of i-P_S_L organization overall, le deal le bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi 900 million over 3 years, i-Betway deal. Njengoba sibona ukuthi i-P_S_L ibhala ukuthi kuthiwa i-Betway Premiership, babanika i-900 million in 3 years. Cabanga, that's just 300 million a year. Imali, mawuthi uyabheka i-rugby leyo mali times are almost kayi-3 ku-same package ye-deal. Asikakabalike bafowethu i-cricket yet. Ama-broadcasting rights we-cricket, SA20 or T20 or ICC revenue, I mean, bathola hundreds and hundreds of millions. Ngeneni kuyo straight bafethu, but-ke to understand le nto lo ukuthi sifike kanjani la kumele sibuyele emuva kuqala bafethu. Impande noma ngithi ama-roots ukuthi why sifike kule situation la izinto azikho balance khona. So mawuthi uyabheka i-rugby ne-cricket, akuzange kwaba nje iy'port eziwu-2 lapha ku-South Africa, but mawubheka ama-institution during apartheid kudala ekhona ama-games we-rugby ne-cricket, bebeya-privilege-ke ngoba i-access, but-ke for abantu ibhola azange libe professional, laqala ukuba professional I think 1996, but-ke that's not the case ukuthi ibhola laqala ukuba professional 1996. You have to look at the numbers at the moment. Kwenziwa izinto right, yabo. So i-cricket, i-rugby, asiqale nge-rugby. I-rugby mawuthi uyabheka isema-suburbs, i-sponsor ama-big companies, ney'kolo zakhona kune-rugby, even ne-military ba-involved, like abantu ama-upper class isikhathi esiningi. I-cricket nayo same thing. I-rugby uyithola kuphi? Kuma-Model C kuley'kole lezi ekukhulunywa isiNgisi, white corporate baba-sponsor, even u-government lo wabelungu ukhona. Mangithi u-government wabelungu ngikhuluma ngo-D_A, manje sekunolokhunjani yini i-F plus or yini le yakhona. Mawuthi uyabheka-ke sesibheka-ke ibhola lase-South Africa overall, I mean, i-soccer it's built from nothing bafethu. Ama-townships, ama-league wakhona, ama-community tournament, nkosi yami, uthi uyabheka kunzima, namapalo wakhona nama-ground wakhona awalungiswanga, abekho privileged. the other side. Uthi uyabheka ama-league, i-SAFA kumele igavine ama-league o-third division but mawubheka awekho a-disorganized. Ahlulwa ama-schools tournament, ama-schools rugby tournament. Mawuthi uyabheka uyabona i-division ukuthi inkulu kakhulu because ku-sports bafethu imali ekunika i-access engcono, hhayi ukuduma. So ungaduma umhlaba wonke but-ke if uku-wrong sports, especially South Africa bafethu, uzoduma but umuntu ongadumanga esingamazi nokumazi mehamba e-mall asim-recognize thole ukuthi udlala i-rugby ne-cricket, ukushaya kude because of i-system. Before i-democracy ibhola-ke they were running ibhola ngothando, not ne-loyalty but-ke the commercial side bebangakayinaki kakhulu. So masibheka post 1994 izinto azange zavele za-change nje kwaba ibhalansi. I-rugby yase-South Africa still beyi-dominate in terms of like i-brand. So yakuthi i-brand yabo yakhula kanjani after ukuwina i-rugby leya ngo-95 if angenzi iphutha. And noma ubheka emhlabeni overall i-Springboks ama-3 times bayiwine kawu-3, is it 3? 3, 4, yeah, I think 3 times world champion. Ngicabanga man, no ngathi bayiwine kayi-4 because bayiwine ngo-95, bayiwina 2007 and then bayiwina back to back. Kusho ukuthi ama-4 times. Ngizongi-correct abafethu if ngirong, but I think bayiwine 4 times, yes. I-cricket I think for i-cricket-ke masibheka bafethu, hayi laba bakaze bawina lutho, baqeda ukuwina nje manje not so long ago, but mawubheka i-history yabo, hayi abenzi kahle. Badlala one of the best teams in the world, but I think they get broadcasting rights or i-share ama-rights from mabadlala no-England or Australia or New Zealand. Mayabona mabadlala ne-India-ke i-market share yabo iba nkulu kakhulu because e-India i-cricket is the biggest sport and imali yakhona i-serious ngempela. Mawuthi uyabheka-ke sowuza ebholeni kuBafana Bafana, Bafana Bafana bayathandwa, but-ke obviously Bafana Bafana they've been battling inconsistency ama-performances wabo, ne-administration yakhona i-weak, incane ku-global exposure iBafana Bafana compared to i-cricket. Cabanga i-cricket ayenzi kahle, i-cricket yase-South Africa, but ku-global exposure i-cricket idume ukudlula more than iBafana Bafana ku-global because i-cricket iyahamba iyodlala o-tour Australia, iyahamba e-England, iyahamba yakuphi like e-South Africa abadumile but-ke in terms of i-brand yabo emhlabeni bakhulu ngempela. So lezo izinto ey'baluleke kakhulu ekumele siy'bheke before singene ey'malini. I-rugby ne-cricket globally ba-different, way different than ibhola lase-South Africa or ngithi iBafana Bafana. Le kune-disconnect enkulu. I mean i-Rugby World Cup, even i-Cricket World Cup, ama-events amakhulu yiwo attracta ama-billions of ama-sponsorships, while ku-African football abanayo i-same financial muscle or ngithi pedigree in terms of ama-competitions laba abawadlalayo. I mean uma ubheka iBafana Bafana idlala i-AFCON ayiqualify kuma-World Cup kakhulu isikhathi esiningi, at least-ke kuthiwa iya kuma-World Cup isikhathi esiningi. There's no way Bafana Bafana iwin i-World Cup, not in our lifetime. Asazi ukuthi nini. Mawuthi uyabheka i-SAFA kuney'nto ey'ningi laphana e-wrong, leadership yakhona ayithenjwa even abantu on the ground. So why would ama-sponsor bathembe i-SAFA ngama-billions if on the ground abantu abayithembi i-SAFA overall? I mean think about it, i-value ye-brand, ama-Springboks i-logo yabo uyibona all over the world bafethu, eParis, kuse-London, e-New York, e-Tokyo, same with ama-Proteas mawuse-India bayawazi ama-Proteas, mawu-New Zealand bayawazi ama-Proteas, but mawuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Bafana Bafana banayo i-reach on the continental scale but globally abanayo i-reach. What we have seen at the moment, recent months or so, Mamelodi Sundowns seyine-reach on the continental level more than Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because njalo bakhompitha ku-global, bakhompitha ku-continental level kakhulu, manje baye kuphi ku-World Cup. Yizo izinto-ke ezishape izinto ezenza ama-sponsor agijime afuna ukusponsor izinto overall or i-sport or i-team or I wanna take people back kancane bafowethu. Into eyenzeka back ngo-1995 i-Springboks awina i-first World Cup e-South Africa, right? Ngonyaka kuthiwa labantu laba benza 200 million kuma-sponsorship nama-merchandising within unyaka, imali eserious yes 250 million bafowethu ngo-1995. I think Nelson Mandela babe-involve, kwakune-unity e-South Africa after i-apartheid kubonakala ngathi okay but it was a fake unity masikhuluma iqiniso, kwakudlalwa ngathi nje, but sense of togetherness yayikhona, and then i-Springboks akwazi ukwenza imali serious. But ilo iBafana Bafana mayiwini i-AFCON, I mean, zange benze leyo mali leyo, zange benze 100 million, zange mhlampe benze ngisho ne-50 million. So uyabona i-difference ukuthi ingakanani. Ibhola lase-South Africa, I mean, siyazi ukuthi ama-iconic moments akhona laphana ukuhost i-2010 FIFA World Cup, ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi i-country ezi-South Africa i-country right, but financially-ke FIFA World Cup i-moment bekumele i-transforme i-PSL ne-SAFA ama-structures for i-long term, zange kwenzeke lokho. But-ke singaba-blame abanye abantu, but-ke kumele sibheke ukuthi i-PSL bayirana kanjani, i-SAFA bayirana kanjani, ama-structures ku-SAFA, njengoba bengishilo earlier on bafowethu ukuthi abayithembi i-SAFA abantu there's no trust, like i-president yakhona abayithembi. Kunini they've been calling for a president ukuthi resign, ukuthi why you've been the president isikhathi esingaka, kusho ukuthi ayikho i-fairness, zonke lezo zinto lezo. Mawuthi uyabheka i-FIFA le yalethi FIFA World Cup eSouth Africa yenza ama-billions from i-World Cup, but i-South Africa ibhola lakhona zange libone i-reinvestment kuma-grassroots kakhulu. Why? I-South Africa as a whole yamoshela. Makuze i-FIFA World Cup, I remember this thing, ama-ground wasemalokishini, ngizokwenza nje ngelokishi elilodwa engilaziyo engakhulela kulo, which is iThembisa. Ama-ground wakhona wonke bafowethu, I think over 50 or close to 50 or so grounds, almost every section kwafakwa utshani, kwavalwa, yonke into bawubona ukuthi professional, semi-professional, bayabona ukuthi yabona bafuna ukukhulisa ibhola lase-South Africa. I-ground sebalinisela njalo, kunamaphayiphi, kuna-everything emagroundini. I-ground elincane laselokishini selinama-light, sesiyakwazi nokudlala ebusuku, but guess what? Konke lokho kwaphela because azange baku-maintain. Labantu abaphethe ibhola lase-South Africa zange baku-maintain lokho, kwadliwa iy'mali. Manje mawuthi uyabheka wonke lawo ma-ground leyo, sewabuyele to ebhuqwini futhi from okay. Asibuyele kulezi zinto zemali, but into ebaluleke kakhulu emalini bafethu, ama-media rights, noma ngithi ama-TV rights, ama-broadcasting rights, ukuthi ubani o-owner i-screen. Mangithi ubani o-owner i-screen, ama-brands a-advertise-ayo, nanokuthi ubani o-owner imali. Ama-marketing agencies, ama-sponsorships, ama-brand a-ownwa obani? A-ownwa abelungu isikhathi esiningi masibheka bafowethu. So they would align with abantu abafana nabo and nabantu ababathembayo. If uthatha i-1 billion uyifaka ku-PSL, uzobathemba na labantu abamnyama abarana i-PSL? Sengiyasho nje ukuthi esayidini labelungu bazobathemba na, but asiqale lapha phezulu kancane. So I mean, i-gap between ibhola, i-rugby, i-cricket inkulu kakhulu bafowethu. Singeneni kuma-financial records lawa bengiqale ngawo le phezulu la ka-2024, ukuthi i-rugby ithole 852 million rands kuma-broadcasting rights kuphela, asikakabali okunye bafowethu. Ziningi izinto abenza imali ngazo. And then ibhola, i-national team, i-SAFA yase-South Africa, so makuriphothwa laphana from amadili wabo SABC, benze i-25 million. I mean 25 million lawo ma-peanuts. La ngikhuluma nge-SABC, owner, I mean they're supposed to really to give ilokhunjana bafowethu iBafana Bafana that push, or ibhola lase-South Africa that push. Guess what? And then i-rugby, mangithi i-rugby esengikhuluma ngama-Springboks, ukuthi ama-Springboks enze over 800 million. Mawuthi uyabheka i-SAFA ku-SABC yenze 25 million. I think mabayi-rounda off, mabahlanganisa ne-SuperSport yenze around 30 million bafowethu. Cabanga, compared to 800 million ye-rugby. So I mean iyathusa lento le mawubheka ucompare between the two. I mean mawubheka i-25 million or i-30 million bafowethu le yenziwa yi-SAFA ngonyaka kuma-broadcasting rights, i-Springbok ku-test match kuphela yenza around 20 to 30 million nge-match eyodwa laphana kuphi ku-Super Sports bafowethu. Nge-match eyodwa yenza imali, yenza isense lento le, ayenzi isense. Yabona ukuthi i-division ingakanani, ukuthi umehluko omkhulu bafowethu. Singakhohlwa ukuthi i-PSL, even though i-SuperSport inama-exclusive broadcasting rights ukuthi idlalisa wonke ama-matches laphana ku-PSL, but idili ayifani ne-rugby, nane-pace ye-rugby, nane-ye-cricket. I-PSL yonke, i-PSL bafowethu, i-packaging yabo i-around 2 billion, yebo? 2 billion over 5 years. Ngicela ukuyiphinda le nto anizwa bafethu. Labantu benza 2 billion in 5 years. Ngapha iSpringbok sona leyo mali leyo singayenza close to in 2 years or in 1 year and a half, in 18 months bafethu bangayenza le mali le. Bona uma-sponsorship nama-broadcasting rights ngizongena kuwo wonke ngiwachaze kahle, but ithi ngingene kuwo manje ukuthi iSpringbok senze imali kanjani. So iSpringbok senze ngo-2024 senze 1.5 billion ngonyaka owodwa. ISAFA yona ngo-5 years or ibhola lase-South Africa overall 5 years ile mali siyenza close to ISAFA isenza maybe around 400 million overall ngonyaka, whereas iSpringbok alone senza 5 times leyo mali le. So and then cricket yase-South Africa, I mean cricket, nobody cares about the cricket bafowethu, especially the bay in terms of numbers laphana ku-SuperSport. But asingene still ama-broadcasting rights ngonyaka owodwa bafowethu, owodwa, just 1 year kilokhu njana i-cricket yase-South Africa yenza 1.1 billion ngonyaka owodwa kuma-broadcasting rights kuphela. But-ke kuthiwa because of bathola ama-broadcasting rights kakhulu kuma-countries afana nabo-India, because e-India ibhola lakhona likhulu. But-ke still asiye kuma-sponsorships wakhona. Ama-sponsorships we-cricket over unyaka owodwa nje kuphela over 100 million rands. Ama-event wakhona o-ICC, amanye ama-revenues, ama-distribution athola over is close to 2 billion imali abayenza ngonyaka bona. But isport sabo mawusibheka ukuthi sisemuva kangakanani compared to ibhola. Yini e-wrong kahle kahle mase sibheka nje everything ukuthi kahle kahle yini e-wrong ngebhola lase-South Africa ukuthi libe semuva kangaka. But because of i-rugby, okay, i-rugby singayibheka nje, i-rugby locally ikhona i-rugby ya-local bafethu, ama-Blue Bulls ama-Lions in terms of iphula banayo that much, but banayo imali. Mawubheka ama-player, so ngena kuma-player we-rugby, singene kuma-player we-cricket, singene kuma-player waku-Betway Premiership or waku-PSL, even ama-player mawebizwe kuBafana Bafana ukuthi yenza malini. So bona ukuthi umehluko ukuthi ungakanani bafowethu. I mean big difference mawayibheka nawe usho ukuthi hayibo i-difference engaka. There's no way phela kuba ne-difference engaka, but-ke ikhona leyo difference leyo. In fact ithi ngaloku ngidile ngene kulo difference le ukuthi ama-player enza malini kahle kahle, because we can't just unpack in terms of ama-broadcasting rights nje kuphela and then overlook ezinye izinto overall laphana because zibalulekile. So ama-player kuBafana Bafana mebiziwe for iBafana Bafana enza 30,000 per game, but-ke kuyadepend ukuthi badlala yiphi game benza. So for ama-big games lesi ama-World Cup qualifiers zonke izinto bathola around 60,000 for iwini, ukubizwa ngathi bathola boma 30,000 or i-draw certain games kuyahluka. Izwa-ke iSpringboks ukuthi sithola malini. Ama-Springboks mebiziwe for i-game bathola over 100,000 guaranteed bafowethu, over 100,000. Nayabo ukuthi difference engakanani. And then ama-player wama-Proteas wona mebiziwe laphana ku-national team bafowethu athola over 80,000. So yeah, it's heartbreaking bafowethu ukuyibona lento le, na the way izinto I mean ibhola elingakhona ukuthi okay, you could be the biggest thing in the country but ungatholi lutho at all. Ungabonwa nje ibhola lase-South Africa libonwa uthi liyabonwa I think I don't know if maybe the way liranwa ngakhona because of mawubheka ibhola lase-South Africa sithi sine-professional football which is i-Betway Premiership noma ngithi PSL, but guess what, I mean kuney'nkinga ey'ningi khona ebholeni ekumele zikwazi babe nama-solutions. Ama-teams awakwazi ukuthola ama-sponsorship freely. I-PSL, i-governing body yama-club iyawa-decline noma ngithi iyawaphikisa, ayivumeli ukuthi amanye ama-club athole ama-sponsorships. Ama-club anama-sponsor kakhulu ku-PSL out-to Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns, they are catching up, but abanye kuba nama-excuse ukuthi ama-reason ukuthi kungasponzwa amanye ama-teams. Zonke lezo zinto lezi bafethu yizo eziyinkinga kakhulu. So I mean I mean masibheka ama-image ama-broadcasting rights yinto enkulu kakhulu in terms of imali nanokuthi-ke kunama-sponsors, ama-sponsors maningi ebholeni lase-South Africa. Lana sikhuluma ngo-F_N_B, sikhuluma ngo-Castle, sikhuluma ngo-M_T_N, ngo-Vodacom, ngo-Toyota, but mawubheka basponsa kuphi, basponsa maphi ama-team? Ngoba u-F_N_B usponsor ini? Usponsor i-Springbok kakhulu, but uphinde ube khona ebholeni kancane futhi awusafaki kakhulu u-F_N_B ebholeni lase-South Africa. I mean then mawubheka ama-sponsors welokhu njani, i-Betway isponsor futhi nama-Proteas mawa-travel all over the world. Castle Lager, o-K_F_C, ama-national teams kahle kahle. Mawuthi uyabheka i-Cricket SA ngikhumbula bathi benze 1 billion. Ubani uJohn Smith, if ngilisho kahle igama lakhe, uJohn Smith uke waba yi-captain, waye-president at the time or wayeyini, but he was one of the leaders laphana ku-Proteas, but wenze i-profit ye-1 billion laphana, 1 billion. So I mean barana professional. I-Cricket SA if yona commercial income yabe around 400 million a year ngonyaka, and then i-P_S_L mawubheka ibhola kusho ukuthi wonke ama-team, i-P_S_L phela ama-team awu-32 kumele ahlukaniselane i-300 million kuphela, whereas even hayi lento le i-struggle ngempela. I mean i-struggle mawusibheka i-struggle sebhola lase-South Africa, I think i-structure semalokhunjana bafowethu, i-structure se-P_S_L, i-structure sebhola lase-South Africa, there's no trust njengoba bengishilo ekuqaleni. Yizo izinto ezenza ezi-discourage abafowethu ama-sponsors ezowabalekisa. Yes singakhuluma in terms of sithi maybe kune-discrimination because of i-colour, but guess what, mawunebhazi serious globally, if i-P_S_L, i-Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns benza kahle, lese take for instance i-Al Ahly, masibheka ama-financial records we-Al Ahly uyabona ukuthi i-Al Ahly i-way above ibhola lase-South Africa or ama-teams wase-South Africa in terms of ukukhokhela. Khona ucoach manje kuno-coach omusha laphana ku-Al Ahly, guess what, uholo hundreds and hundreds of millions. Ku-P_S_L ngeke yenzeke into enjalo, ukuthi ucoach ahole 100 million, ane-contract ye-100 million, ngeke ya 2 years, angeke kwenzeke lo. uPieter Msimang waya ku-Al Ahly suka kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, why? Because it was a life changing contract for yena, yamenza instant millionaire. uPhakamani Mahlambi, yes, waya ku-Al Ahly ena 19 or so, waba yi-millionaire, umfana bamnika i-contract enkulu. uPercy Tau naye ku-Al Ahly wayehola 1.9 million. So mawuthi uyabheka igap inkulu compared to ibhola lase-South Africa nasebholeni lase-Egypt in terms of imali. There's no way iplayer lisuke e-Egypt lizodlala e-South Africa unless if seliwile or seliyawo. I-hot property masibheka uMayele, I mean udlala laphana ku-Pyramids, masibheka imali yakhe manje ayiholayo because has been one of the biggest strikers on the continent. Hayi ziyakhala bafowethu, hayi ziyakhala. Ama-player we-rugby njengoba bengishilo ukuthi per match ahola over 100,000, and then mawubheka ama-members we-squad bathola, or nalaba abangadlali just mawuyi-member nje uthola imali e-serious kuma-bonuses. I-cricket uthola imali kangcono. I mean uKagiso, yes ngakhumbula uKagiso umuntu omnyama, the coolest thing ukuthi umuntu omnyama, ngaze ngajabula bafowethu ukuthola umuntu omnyama. uKagiso Rabada odlala laphana ebholeni lase-India, umuntu omnyama uhola around 13 million ngesizini, whereas mawubheka ibhola lase-South Africa bahola kakhulu ngesizini, bahola omalini mhlawumbe baziholela o-3 million, abantu bahola kakhulu. Ngiyazi ukuthi kunama-salaries o-3 million 4 million eseko-Mamelodi Sundowns, yibo abantu abahola kakhulu abala e-South Africa, mhlawumbe uholela 3 million ngonyaka. Le mali lezi ukuthi abantu bahola o-900 million azikho, ngoba like it's not proven because I mean khona interview, yes, umuntu onenkinga or ozophikisa aye uMichael Morton asearch i-interview kaMichael Morton ne-agent lebhola, lisho ukuthi ama-players wo-P_S_L ahola malini. So an average salary ku-P_S_L i-40,000, i-40 to 60,000 kuphela in average. Bambalwa-ke abahola over 100,000, asazi ukuthi bambalwa kakhulu, especially emathimini amakhulu bambalwa. Even ko-Orlando Pirates baningi abantu abahola less than 100,000. Ku-Kaizer Chiefs same thing. Mamelodi Sundowns bakhona abahola less than 100,000. But i-media bakhona, yes, bakhona abantu abahola lese u-250,000 siyavuma sale, u-300,000 bakhona, but bambalwa bancane kakhulu. You have to earn your way up there ukuthi ufike lapha nesicumeni. But-ke ku-cricket naku-rugby mawushisile kahle uyakwazi ukuvele impilo yakho i-change, uhola imali, i-life changing contract. But mawubheka ibhola overall uyabona ukuthi lisemuva kakhulu. Even ku-international, like i-gap inkulu kakhulu. I mean, it gets deeper mawubheka ama-clubs waku-P_S_L afana ku-P_S_L igap nje ku-P_S_L, Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates compared to amanye ama-team. Khona ama-earners njengoba bengishilo bahola u-300,000. uTshegofatso Mabasa, one of the biggest strikers eSouth Africa, uhola around 200,000. One of the biggest strikers, i-gold record scorer la ku-Orlando Pirates uhola around 200,000 kuphela. So yeah, average salary yaku-P_S_L njengoba bengishilo bafethu 60,000. Abangadlali kuma-big teams bahola less than 40,000. But i-media yona ngokusho kwayo izovele i-mislead abantu, and yinto enza ukuthi abantu baphile ama-lifestyle abangawa-afford, because sokumele manje ba-please abantu abangalokhu njani, abazi ukuthi bahola iy'mali ey'nkulu kanti abaholi lezo mali lezo. So mawukhompera iplay edlala ku-top even madoda iplay edlala kuboma-Stormers nakuma-Bulls lihola around 800,000 to 1 point something million ngesizini, plus-ke imali yakuma-Springboks singayibali. So once waba ku-national team lese kuma-Springboks udlalela i-team yakho local, isalary yakho iyashintsha because wena so-recognized national. But guess what, ebholeni lase-South Africa lise ku-P_S_L ungadlala ku-national team udlalela i-Orlando Pirates, salary yakho ngeke ishintshe. But-ke uvele ube yi-senior player mawudlala kuphi, mawudlala kuma-national team lese ku-cricket, mase baku-selecta khona i-team yakho kumele ikuhloniphe, ikunike i-contract engconywana because ne-national team seyiyakubona. Abantu, one of the biggest stars ku-South African football bafethu bahola over 20 million a season. One of the biggest stars ku-rugby, yes, bahola over 20 million guaranteed. Mawubheka leyo mali serious kakhulu. But sad truth ukuthi kubhola abantu bebhola, I mean, it's not like i-jackpot. Abayitholi leyo mali leyo, kumele bayilwele kahle. Omphile i-media ngoba 2013, 2014 lapho 2012 lapho yayireport ukuthi uhola 350,000. Yena ku-interview no-Andile Ncube wathi yena wayehola 100 and something thousand or 100,000. Wayithi ku-200,000 wayefika makunama-sponsor kunabafana kunezinto ezi-different ey'ngenile, kusho ukuthi wayeziholele 100,000. Then ubani khona iplayer manje kumaMamelodi Sundowns belithi belihola 75,000 manje ku-interview, but lelo player lelo bekuthiwa belihola 300,000. Kigen Dolly, I mean, South Africa khona into wrong nebhola. uKigen Dolly bekuthiwa ku-Kaizer Chiefs uhola 1 point something million. Makuphuma ama-report yena mekhuluma ku-interview before ajoyine i-T_S Galaxy wathi akaze ethi uhole leyo mali yena, bekamangala naye. And uthi leyo nto leyo beyenza i-team ibe ne-disconnect because bebabona ngathi yena uhola imali eningi. Hayi bafethu kunzima. Ngiyazi ngingaqhubeka, inkinga le ndaba yala ngingayixoxa kuze kuse bafethu, kuze kuse. But khona into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo before ngivala. Masibheka i-cricket, into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo manje, malokhu njani, ama-league versus ama-league locally versus international revenues nama-streams, kula imali ikhona. If like ilo iBafana Bafana meyidlala, nobody cares, like kuboma-Angola kubo yabona, i-England mayidlala siyabukela, yabo. I-Spain mazidlala boyamali siyabukela, benza imali lapho because international banawo ama-broadcasting rights wa-international. iBafana Bafana ucabanga ukuthi khona umuntu oyibukelayo eSpain, but guess what, i-Springbok medlala e-England bayasibukela, New Zealand bayasibukela, Australia basibukela. That's the difference. That's the i-Manchester United ibukela all over the world. I-Al Ahly ibukelwa e-Middle East, yayibukelwa elokhunjana Egypt kuphela, ibukelwa e-Middle East, ibukelwa kuphi inama-broadcasting rights are-different. Ibukelwa ko-South America mekudlala yona bayalihlonipha ibhola lase-North Africa abantu serious, hhayi indaba yokudlala. But ibhola lase-South Africa abalihloniphi. I won't even go to ibhola laseNigeria ngoba lapho liphansi kakhulu ibhola lakhona, is way better. But-ke amnawo ama-facts bafethu. Khona i-competition ekuthiwa i-Rugby Championships la i-Springbok isithora boma-Europe, badlala yini o-United Rugby Championship or yini le gama lakhona. Ama-broadcasting right nama-sponsorships bathola imali kuma-multiple countries, o-Ireland, o-Wales, o-Italy, Scotland, Argentina, South Africa. So mawuthi uyabheka-ke even nabo-Stormers laba badlala locally, because khona le competition le ama-teams amakhulu adlala all over the world. Angisakhumbuli ukuthi bebathini. Nabo benza imali serious kuma-TV rights. Uthola ukuthi ngonyaka ama-rights wakhona, and lanto not even unyaka, i-run for isikhathi esincane benza u-200 million kuma-rights nama-revenues. But mawubheka ibhola overall ku-PSL, i-PSL mawuwina i-Betway Premiership kula uthola khona i-20 million rands. Then kumele uwine i-Champions League. Nakhona i-Champions League ama-TV rights wakhona because of asibukeli bafowethu, so into esibuyisele emuva. But-ke i-cost, investment nama-infrastructure mawubheka, ziningi izinto ngempela kumele zishintshe overall. I-rugby yase-South Africa ngo-2024 ama-cost wabo, i-operational cost is around 1.5 billion, almost higher than ilokhu njani i-revenue yabo. But-ke it's not like they are swimming in profit ku-larger scale, but because of bayazi ukuthi i-investment yabo kuma-cost nani imali yakhona izobuya, they are able to invest heavy ukuthi okay, so flyer kanje, so yenza kanje, so hosta kanje, so dlala inini. Bahlezi badlala international labantu laba, bashaya i-tour, bakhemp baya le nale, but imali yakhona i-serious ngempela. But-ke they able to recoup imali e-serious from ibholeni akuna-investment. Ibholeni they can't invest ukuthi ama-teams wabo enze kahle, they cannot invest ukuthi ama-team abe right ebholeni lase-South Africa, ba-investe heavy. Angikhulumi ukuthi ba-investe ku-Orlando Pirates, ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns, kuBafana Bafana, ba-investe kuma-Rumo Gallants, kuma-Gesi, because when you are investing there as i-governing board or as i-PSL, guess what, awukhulisi i-PSL nje kuphela or ibhola lase-South Africa nje kuphela, mana ukhulisa ama-big three kuphela, ukhulisa everyone ukuthi lonke ibhola. I mean, mina ngiyahlala ngibukele i-Burnley versus ilokhu njani lese ngibukele i-Burnley versus i-Leicester City, ama-team amancane wase-England. Why? Because they've promoted every team yalapha, not just nje ama-big teams nje kuphela. Ama-TV rights wakhona makhulu. Every team yase-England yenza ama-billions masikhona yonke team, noma kuthiwa i-finishes u-number 20, because ama-TV rights wakhona right, ama-TV right, broadcasting rights right, ama-image rights right. Bathola imali per ama-game nanokuthi babukelwe kangakanani kwamanye ama-countries, because they are watched all over the world. Whereas e-South Africa ama-broadcasting rights awekho for ama-team. Mabathi akhona banamanga, babribe ama-team ngokuthi babanike u-250,000 every month, i-grant engakwazi nokukhava ama-expenses wabo wonke ngenyanga, because kumele ama-teams aflye, kumele atravele, kumele akhokhele ama-player, so leyo mali le ayikho. But if bewafika ama-TV rights, i-team lese iMagesi mayidlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs, bukela abantu abayi-6 million e-South Africa. I-SuperSport yenza 50 million ngalo game leyo through ama-ads, zonke lezo zinto ngegame eyodwa. iMagesi kumele ibe nekhathi e-serious yakule mali le, but akwenzeki lokho. Kwenzeke at all i-PSL ithengisa ama-right to i-SuperSport, and then i-PSL yona inika ama-teams ama-grant. But-ke I think ngibambela abafowethu before siya kude, because lento le ngingayichaza kuze kuse ayipheli, because ama-details, ama-studies, ama-Springbok protest, ama-PSL teams ngingangena I would trickle it down to until. So I mean, yeah, kunzima. But before ngiyivala, ngifuna ukuyivala nje nga-something engiyibonile earlier on. Ngifuna ama-figures nama-numbers ukuthi abantu bayi-understand ukuthi ibhola lase-South Africa lisemuva kangakanani. Ibhola, i-case study, I mean, ibhola li-powerful kakhulu e-South Africa, lingenza imali eningi kakhulu, bangathola ama-deals a-better. But-ke at what stake, at what cost mawubheka, because of kubhekwe nje ama-teams awu-3 kuphela. In fact kubheka ama-team awu-2, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates. Enye into engasiza e-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orlando Pirates ukuthi, well, in fact ibhola lonke lase-South Africa sithi safa, they have to be open to ama-foreign investors, ama-foreign whatever. They have to partner nama-streaming services are different. They have to open themselves up there. They have to, I mean ibhola lase-North Africa bafethu masilibheka, yazi benzani, bane-Arab League, i-World Cup yabo kuphela, and seyi-serious i-World Cup yabo. Kuthathwa ama-teams wako-Egypt, angazi nama-team akuphi, i-Arab League kuphela, i-Arab World Cup or Arab what. Ba-create izinto ezifana nalezi ebholeni lase-South Africa, bathi okay, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns versus ama-teams wase-Ghana versus ama-teams Tanzania, bazicreate-ele into yabo encane, noma kuthiwa into yakhona i-run-a for 3 weeks or 2 weeks kuphela. Ama-Arab enza kanjalo-ke every season. That is why mawubheka ama-Arab ukuthi basekudeni compared to thina bafowethu, but asiyivale ngama-figures, ngiwaphinde ama-figures ukuthi abantu bawa-understand-e. So i-P_S_L as a whole ngonyaka ithola kuma-broadcasting right overall ithola boma-600 lokhu njalo, 600 million. I-Betway yona ama-naming right banike just over 100 million. Kuno-Nedbank, kuno-Carling, kuno-M_T_N 80, but imali serious lapho it's not even 100 million kulezo mali lezo. Umtsipes Foundation angifuna nokukhuluma ngayo yona ngoba ayinamali at all, cause over 20 million rands. And then iSAFA yona-ke nkosi yami, iSAFA kuma-broadcasting right itholela boma-30 million ngonyaka, kuma-sponsorships just over 100 million, kuma-match revenue at over 100 million nakhona, kuma-member nama-F_A whatever, ku-FIFA bathola just over 50 million. Masingena-ke nayi i-difference enkulu-ke, masingena ku-rugby. E-rugby-ke yona kuma-broadcasting right ithola 852 million, kuma-sponsorships ithola 480 million, then kuma-match test ithola close to 100 million, merchandising, ama-tickets, zonke lezo zinto lezo ithola close to 100 million. Ukutravela, I mean ithola over a billion, close to over 1.5 billion. Yenza imali kunazo zonke okay, not even number one. Cabanga number one i-cricket in terms of imali, ishaya i-rugby kanjani, ngoba i-cricket akekho umuntu onendaba nayo. But guess what, ama-broadcasting right kula benza khona imali, benza over 1 billion ngonyaka because of ngishilo ngathi i-India inkulu kakhulu i-rugby bafowethu, so kula i-rugby ebhekwa khona kakhulu. So even nama-distribution i-I_C_C, because badlala ama-international, bathola imali kakhulu, bathola imali lapho kakhulu. But-ke ngicela ukuyibamba la bafethu, sengikhathazile le nkulumo, sophinde ngibuye ngelinye ilanga. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi uNkulunkulu Isoka uyakhula.